Okay, so now we have completed this module. Now we need to make this drawing using all of the commands and tools which are taught up to this point. I'll start with the polygon tool, and here on the draw panel, expand this flyout and select the polygon. Now we need to select 3 sides because we want to make a triangle. So select 3 and press enter. Now we don't need to specify any center point. Rather, we need to specify the edge length. So select edge and click at any point, and then the next point. The next point will be of 9 unit length. So type 9 and press enter. So there we have it, the triangle. Now we need to start with the circle tool. So go to circle, click on this point here and make a circle with radius of 3 unit and press enter. Now press enter again to repeat it, and now click on this point and enter a circle of radius 2 unit and press enter. Now you can make another circle at this point, or you can copy the existing circle. So I'll select copy, select the circle, press enter, click on the midpoint and move it on this one. Now press enter or cancel. Now we need to join both of these circles with the help of a circle which is tangent on both of them, and we can do that using tangent radius because the radius is also provided here. So go to the flyout and select tangent radius. Now click at the approximate points where they are touching, the first and the second point, and enter radius of 3 unit and press enter. There we have it. Now we can repeat this command and we can do it here also, or we can make a mirror image. So I'll make the mirror image, but before that I'll trim this. So I'll go to trim, press enter, and now trim this portion. Now we can make the mirror image of this small arc. So select it, click on mirror. Now click on this center point or the end point of triangle and join it with this midpoint and press enter. So now it is joined. Now for this side, we need to join it with a straight line. So I'll go to line tool, I'll go to this quadrant and I'll join it with this quadrant and press enter. Now we only need to trim all the extra portions. So the first thing is this triangle, which we need to delete. So I'll delete it and I'll go to trim, press enter, trim this and these two portions. There we have it, the final drawing as per our requirement.